What if I told you this isn't just a classic Mustang? It's one of the earliest 1964 Ford Mustang convertibles ever built, and it's worth a stunning $80,000. Let's take a closer look. The moment this 1964 Ford Mustang convertible comes into view, you instantly understand why the Mustang became an American legend. This isn't simply another restored classic. It's a beautifully preserved piece of automotive history that represents the birth of one of the most successful sports cars ever created. Every curve, every chrome accent, and every mechanical detail tells the story of the car that forever changed the American automobile industry. Finished with gorgeous paint that shines from every angle, this Mustang captures the timeless elegance that made the original pony car an instant success. The body lines are laser straight, the chrome emblems sparkle beautifully, the bumpers are solid, and the grille remains true to its factory appearance. From the perfectly aligned body gaps to the smooth operation of the doors and trunk, every detail reflects exceptional care and craftsmanship. One of the biggest highlights is the factory power-operated convertible top. With the push of a button, the roof disappears, transforming this Mustang into the perfect open-air cruiser. Whether you're driving through city streets or cruising down a scenic coastal highway, this convertible delivers the pure freedom that only a classic American drop top can offer. But the beauty isn't just skin deep. Under the hood sits the legendary Ford 289 cubic inch V8 engine, one of the most respected small block V8s ever produced. This particular engine carries casting number C4OE6015F with a casting date of July 7, 1964, and it was machined the very next day. Even more impressive, the car itself was built on July 1, 1964, making it one of the earliest production Mustangs available to collectors today. The engine retains its stock cylinder heads, preserving much of its original engineering while delivering the dependable performance enthusiasts love. Feeding this classic V8 is an Autolite 4100 4-barrel carburetor producing approximately 600 CFM through its 1.12-inch Venturis. The carburetor itself carries part number C0AEK, adding another layer of authenticity for serious collectors. Power is delivered through one of the most desirable transmissions available in an early Mustang, the legendary Toploader 4-speed manual gearbox. This isn't a replacement conversion. This car was born as a factory 4-speed, making it significantly more desirable than automatic examples. The transmission features the correct 1964 Mustang narrow pattern case, wide ratio gearing, and the early 25-spline input shaft that enthusiasts specifically search for. Every gear change reminds you why manual transmissions remain the favorite choice among classic muscle car enthusiasts. It's mechanical, engaging, and delivers a driving experience that modern vehicles simply can't duplicate. Power reaches the road through the correct Ford 8-inch rear axle, equipped with its original Style 3. 0 to 1 gear ratio and open differential. Even the rear axle housing carries correct casting dates, matching the era of the car, proving the incredible attention paid during its restoration and preservation. The suspension stays faithful to Ford's original engineering with an independent front suspension and durable rear leaf springs. Combined with factory power steering, this Mustang remains surprisingly comfortable and easy to drive. Whether navigating tight parking lots or enjoying long weekend cruises, braking comes from power-assisted drum brakes at both the front and rear. While modern disc brakes may offer more stopping power, these factory-style drums preserve the authentic driving feel that makes this Mustang such a genuine time capsule. Wrapped around factory 14-inch wheels are matching 205 70R14 tires that perfectly complement the car's original proportions while providing confident road manners. Slide into the interior and you're immediately transported back to the golden age of American motoring. The clean upholstery looks outstanding, while the beautifully preserved door panels maintain the elegant simplicity of early Mustang design. A center console adds both practicality and sporty character, but perhaps the most exciting interior feature is the rally pack. Mounted proudly on the steering column, these iconic gauges instantly elevate the cabin and remain one of the most sought-after factory options on early Mustangs. The dash chrome shines brilliantly, the floor mats remain in excellent condition, and every detail reflects the level of quality expected from a carefully maintained collector vehicle. Looking underneath the car reveals even more reasons why collectors appreciate this Mustang. The exhaust system appears nearly new. The fuel tank is in excellent condition. Brake lines show recent attention, and the frame members remain impressively solid. The floorboards are clean and structurally sound. The pinch welds remain straight, and the rockers are exceptionally clean. These are exactly the areas experienced buyers inspect first, and this Mustang passes those inspections with confidence. Cars like this don't appear every day. Early production 1964 and half Mustang convertibles equipped with a factory 289 V8, born with 4-speed manual transmission, rally pack, power steering, power convertible top, and highly correct mechanical components are becoming increasingly difficult to find. This isn't just transportation. It's rolling American history. It's the beginning of the pony car revolution. It's the dream car that inspired generations of enthusiasts around the world. Priced at $80,000, this Mustang risks us far more than its market value. It represents authenticity, rarity, craftsmanship, and one of the greatest automotive success stories ever written. Whether you're a lifelong Mustang enthusiast, a serious collector, or simply someone who appreciates timeless automotive design, this remarkable 1964 Ford Mustang Convertible stands as a shining reminder that true classics never go out of style. If this incredible Mustang earned a place in your dream garage, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing classic car features, and turn on notifications because the next legendary collector car could be even more extraordinary.